You guys might be asking, why do I use these type of switches? Now, you guys have heard this all throughout my gaming videos, but this is the switches that I have. These are purple switches from Razer. They're like upgraded or something, and well, they're very loud, and even my friends don't like them. Nobody likes them, but me, I guess. But now you might hear a little twang, and so do I. How do you fix that? Oh, first you need to take off the keycap with the keycap puller. Let me get that. There you go. And then you have to take that apart. Then you have to take the spring apart. Then you have to lube the spring. And then you have to put the spring back in the switch. And then you have to do that. No, I'm not doing that for every single switch in here. People are dedicated to that. I am not. I'm kind of fine with a little bit of twanginess. Why is my dog barking now? It doesn't matter. Alright. Shh. Be quiet.